So one of the best ways, of course, to prove value of a particular service to a client is to send them an update in the form of a report. So Glow has a built-in reports feature, which allows you to create reports whenever you need to and send them out to your clients. And they're just great reminders of the kind of work that you're doing to keep their website in good condition. So as you can see, I'm logged into the dashboard of my Glow account. I'm going to start by clicking on clients from the main left-hand menu here. It's showing me that we have 3 live clients at the moment. And I'm going to click into the one in the middle here, Lemon HR, wait for the client area to load. And then once it's loaded, I'm going to click on where it says reports down here in the inner menu. So that's going to load the all report screen by default, and as this is a dummy account, there aren't any at the moment, but we're going to create one together now so that you can see how the process actually works. So I'm going to click on the Create Report tab to the right here, and what Glow is asking us to do first is to choose the dates for the report that you want to create. Now, Glow will only let you go back as far as the date that the client was added to Glow for obvious reasons. And in this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to choose the first date that the client was added to Glow, and then I'm going to choose today's date as well. So it's a nice early report to let the client know what we've been doing in the early days of looking after their site. The next section is contents. So this is where you can choose what content you want including in the report to the client. So I would like there to be a little introduction, and I'm going to write my introduction here. So you can customize that completely as you need to. Same with the conclusion. Here is our conclusion of this report. And I'm going to tick the security box because I would like information included around the plugin updates that we've completed, anything around WordPress core and themes as well. And then I also want to include the development work section, which will show the client how much time we have spent carrying out development work on their site this month. So that includes any custom work or any support tickets that they've raised to us. And it's just a great way of demonstrating the amount of work that we've actually completed this month. I don't need an other section. This would be for anything else that you might want to add as information to the report. I'm going to leave that off on this occasion. And then I'm going to click Next Step in the bottom right corner. And here is where Glow asks you, how do you want to get the report to the client? So you have 2 options. You can click on Download PDF, and you'll see this button light up here. If you click that, it'll just download the report to your machine, and then you can send that separately to your client whenever you need to. Or you can send it straight from Glow, and you have some placeholder tags that you can use here to customize this message in this box. And when you're ready, you can click the Send Report button in the bottom right corner, and that will just send an email to your client with the report attached to it. So essentially a bit quicker than downloading the PDF. Now, if you've white labeled Glow to your company, that email will come from your company's email address, and it'll obviously be branded as you as well. So Glow won't get mentioned at all. So that is how you create a one-off report for one of your clients in Glow.